To talk about things that belong to you or a physical state you are feeling, you start with two simple words. I have. This is the core pattern. You take the subject I, the verb have, and follow it directly with a noun. Mastering this specific sequence allows you to identify your belongings and describe your physical condition without using complex grammar. Let's apply this to objects. You can say, I have a house, I have a phone, or I have a computer. In these examples, the phrase shows that you own the object or that it is connected to you. Notice that when you talk about one countable thing, you must use the word a before the noun. Including a as a permanent part of the phrase helps you avoid the most common mistakes beginners make when identifying objects. This same pattern is also used for health. On the left, we see ownership of a car. On the right, we see the experience of a headache. Both use I have. You can use this for conditions such as I have a cold or a toothache. When you say I have a headache, it doesn't mean you own the headache like property. It means your head hurts. Using the same structure for both objects and health makes it easier to communicate. You can apply one rule to two different types of information. Let's look at common errors. A frequent mistake is leaving out the when talking about a single item. Always include that middle word. Instead of I have cat, say I have a cat. Instead of I have headache, say I have a headache. Another error is using the wrong verb form. When you start with I, always use have. Do not say I has. Finally, do not add extra verbs. For a simple sentence like I have a car, remove the word am. Keeping the sentence simple is the best way to be clear. Use the subject, the verb have, and your noun. Let's practice what we've learned with a quick test. Which sentence is correct? Option A is I have cat. Option B is I have a cat. Pause the video now and choose your answer. Taking a moment to recall the rule yourself helps you remember it much longer than just listening to an explanation. The correct answer is option B. We use a before the noun. I have a cat. Here is a summary of the lesson. You can use I have for things you own and for health conditions you experience. You may want to save this image for your notes. To finish this lesson, write one sentence of your own using I have in the comment section. Practicing this simple pattern will help you build a strong foundation for your everyday English conversations.